Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So today we're going to be talking about the customer journey. Isn't that exciting? So what is the customer journey? It is the process where a customer finds out about you, goes to your business, gets your product or service, and leaves. So that's the journey from start to finish. So for example, Catherine goes to the co-op, she goes through the aisle, she picks up some pasta, she picks up some sauces, and she goes all the way around to the checkout after picking up some A&W root beer. Product placement, baby. So she picks up a load of things, she checks out, and she's gone. Now, you can keep people coming back. So for example, I'll give you an example. The co-op uses a specific card where people can gain points every single time they make the customer journey. So that can keep people going in an endless cycle, which is always good. But that's the customer journey in a nutshell without babbling too much. I do want to babble. I do like the customer journey. It's a fantastic and fun thing. We're on a journey of discovery right now. Why else would you be here? Are you having a good time? I know I am. Anyway, you have a lovely day. Thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye.